Hi guys, welcome to my channel Wealth and Investment. Today we will talk about if Bitcoin serve as the store of value or not. Many people ask if Bitcoin is even considered a store of value. So before we delve into considering whether it is a store of value or not, let's understand a universal understanding of what we consider as a store of value. So when you buy an expensive Rolex or a watch or a house, you're expecting that it will increase in value over time. So a watch, for example, a fine wine or a house are assets considered to be a store of value, which means that they preserve their value over time and can be exchanged in future if one needs money back for a higher value. So often you hear people buying like if we buy a house today, it will definitely increase in value over time in 10 years, 20 years, obviously with the exception of s- unfortunate events such as the housing market bubble, etc. A cheeseburger or a can of Coca-Cola is not served as a store of value. This is because it gets eaten and there's nothing left, of course. Same with the car because it's depreciated as soon as it leaves the showroom, with exception to few vehicles, of course, which preserves their value because they're vintage or they're special edition or something associated with it. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has been compared to gold, and everyone knows that gold is considered as the ultimate example of a store of value because it's scarce. Some think that Bitcoin can even take over the market share from gold as the next safe haven and the next asset of choice for investors, which is scarce and will be the safest asset to invest in. However, there are some who argue that Bitcoin is quite volatile, and the fact that you can go to sleep with Bitcoin, for example, at 40,000 USD and wake up either on 30,000 USD or either on 70,000 USD, so it is that volatile means that investors will be less likely to employ it as a store of value. So now we have established that there are two sides of it. What I believe is that Bitcoin at this particular stage, like currently right now, is not serving as a store of value, even though it is scarce. I feel until and unless there is a structure and wider world and institutions accepting it and there are regulations behind it, only then it can serve as a store of value. And the drawback that it will be then less volatile as well when this happens. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye.